Good morning. Today we subpoenaed the top management of the Ateneo Basketball Team headed by Coach Tab Bogdan. Last week, the events unfolded mostly was a fault-finding exercise. Today is a fact-finding exercise. We are not here to arrest, we are not here to charge, but merely to gather the facts. Kukunin lang namin talaga kung ano nangyari, kung sinong nag-authorize, kung paano sila pumunta, kung sino nag-order, lahat yun kukunin namin yan. I repeat, it is a fact-finding mission, hindi siya fault-finding. So we will give our results later in due time once we investigate everyone.